check. It's already 8:57 in the morning. And we're going to have a new video. Sure. We're going to have a video with my brother, which means he is not. Sure. Joke lang. Din. So guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon is we're going to play some finger games. Na sinaunang mga laro noon na nalaro pa namin ngayon. O nalaro pa namin noon. O yung buhay na kami na nangyari noon. O nalaro na namin sa era no. Bahala na. Basta yung nalaro namin noon na pwede naming laruin ngayon kasi naalala ko kasi yun. Okay, for the first game na gagawin namin is, alam niyo bang tinatawag na pen di Sara pen di Cochillo di Amasan? Yun ang gagawin namin. The first game namin gagawin ngayon. At pangalawa is bato. Alam niyo yun. At pangatlo is mangga hinog ka na ba? Yon. At ikaapat is our last game is it's a secret. It's just a secret. It's just a secret. Char. It's a secret. So, kayo, anuhin nyo na lang. I-guess nyo kung ano. So, guys, we're going back. Welcome back! Good morning, everyone. My name is St. Clair Biberdon. You can call me Santa Clara as usual. You.
My name is Cassie Biberdon. You call me Cass.
Let's go. Let's play our game now. Okay, our first game is Armasen. So, for today is, kung may laro, dapat may consequences para mas masaya. Okay. So, for now is, wala yung kapatid ko rito. At para hindi masayang oras kasama with me, I should demonstrate you our consequences for the game. So, yung consequences natin ngayon, guys, is So, yung consequences pa lang natin ngayon for the game is, kasi yung laro natin, pen di Sara pen. So, ang consequences natin ngayon, kada isa yung nanganabali is, maglalagay kami ng uling sa kamay namin. Hindi sa kamay, sa mukha namin. At talaga ako, nagdadalawang isip ako kung gagawin ko ba tong consequences na to. Kasi nga, I'm a girl. And for the girl is, beauty is so important to us. And so, gagawin namin sa uling ay ilalagay namin sa face namin hanggang sa wala na kaming kamay. Okay, for now is we're going to wait for my brother na inutosan ko muna kasi nagsaing ako ng kanin kanina pero naubusan ng butane. Kaya inutosan ko siya. So guys, nahihiya talaga ako na ipakita sa inyo yung kakabinet ko kaldero. So here it is. Okay. So, sa consequences natin is, ito yung gagamitin namin for wiping it from the face. So, kailangan na lang natin nahintayin yung kapatid ko na bumalik agad kasi inutusan ko na naman sa pagbili ng sabon. So, here's a fun fact, guys. Kung ate ka at may bunso ka, syempre, uutos ka.